Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to use the new automatic reclaiming by robobuddy for the lands, of course. So the first thing is what you have to do is first to send to your robobuddies a folder named Sparrow Renders on Reclaim. It is very important to be the same name, and inside this folder must locate the render spot. So each time there is an update or you want to modify something, you have to log in with your bot, res that render spot, then do the changes, then take it and delete the previous one. So the first step is to make this Sparrow renders on reclaim, then put inside the render spot and then send the folder to your robobuddy. This is the first step of the setting up. The next is to go to your robobuddy's page, and then right after your robobuddy you click settings, and then you must be sure the renders module is on, because by default is off, so you need to set it on. You click OK, and then you need to restart your robobuddy to load up the new modules. Then on the renders on your account, you go to settings, and then here there is a group UID where you can specify the group UID that you want your robobuddy to reclaim the land for this group. So as example, if you have a group that you want all the lands to be deeded to that group, you have to invite your robobuddy to that group in a role that has ability to buy land for that group, and then you specify the group UID inside this field here and click save. And this is for the basic setup of the entire system. So the system is ready. After you restart your bot, everything will load up and you are very ready to start testing it out. So let's make a test. I have here two lands, one called land for video 1 and the next one for land for video number 2. So here is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to buy this land. Okay, I'm going to allow a few moments till the entire process completes. So now in here, this one should turn into a yellow color. Yellow color means that this land is bought from someone. In that case, this is the someone. So but it turns green, is in yellow, which means has gone into a mode where if your tenant doesn't go to pay in the next 30 minutes from this time, the land will go and be reclaimed. This is to avoid those guys who go and buy one land and then like to spend the arrear time, which is like 3 days, and they never paid the ATM. So in this case, when someone buys the land and he doesn't go to pay the ATM in the next 30 minutes, then the land will go and be reclaimed automatically. So if I click options here, I see also a location. This is where the bot will go to perform the reclaim, in that coordinates in that region. So you must be very careful about those two fields to not send the robobuddy to reclaim something else. And also down here there is something called robobuddy actions, and by default is on do nothing. You can specify it either do nothing or reclaim land. In case where the robobuddy action is in do nothing, the robobuddy will do nothing after the tenancy has ended. Instead will be, if you see here, there is another one called pending reclaims. Your all the lands that gets empty after a tenancy will move from here up to here, and there you will have three options. In the case of do nothing, you will have option to visit, you will have option to reclaim, or you will have option to close. So in case you want to use it without any robobuddy, you can still use the options visit and close in case you want to do that manually. So let's say you want to see which lands got empty last night while I was sleeping, so all will be listed here under the pending reclaims, so you can click visit and do the reclaim manually, or you can click reclaim button and then your robobuddy will be sent right after you push the button to go and reclaim that land. If you change it to reclaim land, then when that land gets empty and the tenancy is over, then your robobuddy will go and perform that reclaim automatically, and then will be listed here as a finished for the complete tasks ones, or cancelled if something went wrong. So maybe you will need to go visit and do it manually. So let's see how it works. I'm going to, because now is yellow, I'm going to remove from myself like 45 minutes. So I am on 29, so in a few moments when this turns to 30, and when the system detects that it needs to be reclaimed, we will see that this one from here will move up to here when the time passes. I have set it to do nothing, so we will see how this works if the robobuddy action is on do nothing. Everything is here. See, the line is green, which means I am still the owner of that parcel. When we need to wait a little longer. Okay, here we are. So the system will remove the tenancy from here, and now we see it's here in yellow color and asking us what to do. We can click reclaim, we can click visit, or close it. Of course, we need to see if the reclaim will work on that land. So I'm hitting reclaim, and here we are. We see that green line here, and the reclaim is done. Is set for the group, the price for sale, and also the rental sign is raised, and the border bot does the bordering thing. Also here is registered as a finished. Let's see now if I'm going to buy the next one. So right click buy this land, Okay, and now we're going to test the reclaim land. Just 1 second to receive the changes. Waiting and waiting and waiting. Okay, so we're setting to reclaim the land. Then I'm going to remove myself for 30 minutes to just make sure we are under the 31st minutes. Remove actually. So I will remove one more now. Okay. And normally now, because it is on the reclaiming land, the system will perform automatically just right after the tenancy is over. The bot will come to my land, reclaim, set up the rental spot, and then go back to its original position. Why not? There it is. And done. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you to enjoy that new feature. Bye.